In this problem, we need to make sure that both terms get multiplied by both terms in both sets of parentheses. So 2 square root of 5 is going to get multiplied by the square root of 5 and by 2 square root of 3. Negative square root of 3 is going to get multiplied by the square root of 5 and by 2 square root of 3. So first things first. 2 times 1, because the number in front of the radical can be assumed to be 1 if there's not 1. 2 times 1 gives me 2. Square root of 5 times the square root of 5 gives me the square root of 25. Let's look at the next one. 2 times 2 gives me a 4. Square root of 5 times the square root of 3 gives me square root of 15. Let's move to the second term. Negative square root of 3 times the square root of 5 is going to give me a negative square root of 15. And then negative square root of 3 times a 2 square root of 3 is going to give me a negative 2 square root of 9. So the next thing we need to do is simplify and combine like radicals wherever we can. So in this first one, I can find the square root of 25. That's going to give me 5. Again, notice, once I find the square root of 25, I no longer write it underneath the radical sign. Now it gets multiplied by the number that was in front, which is the 2. Positive 4 square root of 15 minus square root of 15. These are like radicals because they both have 15. And since there's no number in the front, we can assume that that's a 1. So a positive 4 minus 1 is going to give me a positive 3. And again, the reason that we combine them is because they both have a square root of 15. The next thing we want to simplify is the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So again, once you find the square root of 9, that answer gets multiplied by the number in front, which was the negative 2. So the next thing you need to do is simplify. 2 times 5, I'm going to bring down the 3 square root of 15 because it can't be simplified. And I'm also going to bring down negative 2 times 3, which gives me 6. So my final step is to just combine my constants, which is 10 minus 6, and that's going to give me a positive 4 plus the 3 square root of 15, which I'm just bringing down.